Lighting is without a doubt one of the most important investments that you can make as a small business owner, or if you're lashing out of a space or at home. Reason being, if you don't have a bright enough, white enough light, you run the risk of not being able to see all the little lashes and possibly missing lashes during your services. Here are some of the reasons why we recommend using a lost artistry light for your lashing services and putting up in your lash room. So like I said before, a bright white light is much easier to see where you're laying the lash and what lashes you've missed. If you're not utilizing the light in your space, then you do run the risk of not satisfying your clients with a full, beautiful, fluffy set. You won't be able to see all the little hidden lashes, and you definitely will be missing some. Another reason why we recommend the Lost Artistry LED lash light is because it has double adjustable arms. So during a service, you are able to adjust both of the arms to get the proper lighting in the right angles, or to light up your client's lashes depending on wherever their head is laying in your lashing space. Our light also has 5 adjustable light settings, so if your client is a little bit more sensitive to the bright LED light, you are able to cater to the light effect you want to have during your service. Another reason why I really recommend this light is because of the fact that before your services and after your services, you're able to take amazing, brightly lit photos of before and afters, which will make your Instagram and your business profiles look super professional with the amazing lighting that you're using.